Hi, Ashley from Numisma here, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how accountants and bookkeepers can use Numisma to manage your clients, your deadlines, and your workflow. So the screen you can see right now is the agent dashboard, which we've built specifically for accountants and bookkeepers. And on the left-hand side, you can see a list of all of your clients grouped together by entity type and service type that you'll be providing them. And then on the right hand side, you've got a list of all of your deadline dates. And again, they're grouped together by your service types. Now, each one of these has a number behind them, and you can click on each and every one of these numbers to see what is behind them, what client is behind it, or what deadline is behind it. So if I was to go into my overdue VAT returns that are due, that overdue, then I can see a list of all of them. And then the next step would be that I can actually drill down into that to go to their bookkeeping profile and begin doing the bookkeeping before filing the VAT return with HMRC. So this is the bookkeeping profile. But if we go back, so we're back on the agent screens. That's the deadline side of things. Now on the left side, you've got your clients. So I'll just let that load. It shouldn't take too long. There you go. So you've got your clients on the left side. So you can also drill down into these. So if I wanted to see all of my limited companies that I'm running payroll for, I can click on the two. It will take me to the two payroll companies. And then here, if I click into one of these, it will actually take me to the payroll profile so that I can begin running the payroll and paying the members of staff. Now, from a workflow perspective, we've built specific dashboards for each module. So for self-assessment, you can come to the dashboard and you've got your KPIs at the top. So aged approvals, no responses for 30 days. Aged questionnaires, no responses for 30 days. Your top performer within your practice, the amount of tax returns that have been filed in comparison to the previous year. And finally, the total self-assessment clients you have. And at the bottom here, we've got a list of our staff, as well as the tax return status for each member of staff. So again, each one of these numbers you can drill down into to see what's behind them. And this is exactly how we manage workflow within Numisma. So if I wanted to see the tax returns that are in Ashley's name, I could click on in progress one, and it will take me to the tax return behind it. Now, if I wanted to assign this to a different accountant, I can click the accountant, assign it to anyone else, and then save. Or if I wanted to change the work status, I can change it here and I can update it. And finally, you can also view notes. So if you wanted to add a note to this tax return, you can. And then anyone else in the practice can go in and view the note whenever they like. And in addition to that, you can drill down into the individual's name to go to the self-assessment and begin producing the tax return before filing it with HMRC. So at the bottom here, you've got each of your quick jump sections so that you can go to each individual page of the tax return and begin populating it. But once you finish populating, you can go to review and file and submit to HMRC. And then you can submit this directly to HMRC using your HMRC agent credentials. So from a workflow perspective, not only can you manage the workflow, you can also perform all of the tasks within Numisma. In addition to self-assessment, you can submit VAT returns. We are MTD ready, and we are getting MTD ready for self-assessment as well. You can also submit final accounts and corporation tax returns through Numisma, and they're all completely linked to our bookkeeping module in real time. So as you go through, do the bookkeeping, they populate the year-end accounts. There's no additional work or tasks you have to do. You just have to do your bookkeeping. And then with the payroll, we've actually automated it from start to finish. So payroll information can be sent to the bookkeeping module via a journal, but also you can set it up so that any director-only limited companies or any companies that just pay salaried staff can be completely automated once you've entered all of the salaries for the employees. So Numisma will actually finalize the payroll, submit it to HMRC, send the pay slips, and post the journal. You wouldn't have to do anything. Now, if you have any questions, if you want to have a 14-day free trial of the Numisma platform, then please feel free to get in touch on support@numisma.co.uk or our phone number, which is 020-3021-2326. Thank you for your time, and I hope to speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.